Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel RP's Beauty World. I hope you all are doing well. So today's video is all about these little things. I hope you remember them. I have shown them in my previous mini purple haul. If you haven't checked, please do that. So these are the Blue Heaven Intense Matte Lipstick. I'm quite happy that Blue Heaven is coming with different new products. So as you can see that I do have 4 shades with me. Coming to the packaging is quite simple but very sturdy. You can travel with them very easily. Here the price is written, that is rupees 100 only. Isn't it very great? It's very inexpensive actually. And now moving to the other details, that is the expiry and manufacturing date. So here it is written, and the shelf life is 3 years. That means you can use the lipsticks for a pretty long time. And moving to the name and number of the lip shade, that is written in the bottom side and as well as the top side. That means you can store your lipstick in any position if you have number of shades, and you can identify that which shade is what. You know what I mean. Now let us see the main product. So the total quantity we are getting is 4 grams. That is also quite good. And here you can see the bullet. I like this shape of the bullet. It is very convenient to use this bullet in the inner corners of the lips as well. And if you have thinner lips, then also you can use them very conveniently. So this is the total product. So this is the first shade I do have with me, Plum Desire 310. And now let's move to the hand swatch. The second shade I do have with me is Pink First, that is 305. So while closing the cap of the lipstick, we need to be very careful, otherwise we may ruin it. Now moving to the third shade, that is Cherry Cheer, and the number is 309. It's a very gorgeous shade, you guys, seriously. And the last shade that I do have with me, that is Sandy Beach, and the number is 312. noticed one thing, these are superly pigmented. I mean, one swipe is just enough to cover your lips. Isn't it very great? So now we will talk about the shades. So here it is written that it's intense matte, but actually these are creamy matte, not completely matte formula. But it's okay, these are quite comfortable in the lips. And coming to the first shade, that is Plum Desire. It's a very beautiful pinkish nude shade, and it will suit fair to medium skin tone people. Moving to the second shade, Pink Frost. Actually, I thought it would be a very beautiful pinky nude shade for me, but sadly, it is not not looking good at all on me as well. It will suit only fair, very fair beauties out there, but somehow I can work with this lipstick. Now coming to the third shade, oh my god, it's very gorgeous and it will suit fair, medium, dusky, dark, deep, every skin beauty out there, and it is a very good party kind of and evening time shade as well. Now moving to the last shade, that is a perfect brown shade, and so you can say that it's actually a nude shade, nothing pink, nothing no any other undertone or anything like that. It's a perfect brown shade, that is sandy beach, and this shade is also not looking good at me, and this shade will also suit only fair beauties out there only. Staying power of these lipsticks, I would say about 4 to 5 hours max to max. But if you are not eating anything, because here you can see these are smudging like anything, definitely we cannot expect much more thing in 100 rupees just. Okay. This is it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Bye bye.